Generally, it could be because you have an issue with your eyes, and how your eyes move can make you feel dizzy or off. It can be a problem with your inner ears or your vestibular system, which has fluid in it that tells your body where you are in space and reacts to changes in motion. Or it could be issues with your neck. The muscles and joints of your neck tell you a lot about where you are in space. And so if you have tightness or tension in certain muscles and joints of your neck, it'll tell your brain different information about where you are in space, and that can make you feel disconnected. Oftentimes, dizziness is an input problem. People look at concussion and think, well, this is a brain problem, this is a central nervous system problem. But when you look at things like dizziness, generally it's an input problem. So you're getting information from 3 different systems. You're getting information from your eyes, from your inner ears, and from the muscles and joints of your neck. If one of those systems is giving you incorrect information, you're going to feel disconnected and dizzy. So you just have to find out which one of those systems it is and work to fix that system.